What's going on, guys? So there's a couple stocks that I kind of want to look at. As we know, the NASDAQ 100, the SPY, the Dow Jones, IWM, they all kind of pulled in rather aggressively yesterday. Could we be coming back to back test? We have been running at all-time highs now, especially on the triple Qs and the SPY for, over a month. So I think it's been like 15, 16 green days, and we've had one red day overall in the past 2 to 3 weeks trading. So the pullback is to be expected. If you have been buying at the top and now you're concerned about the market's going lower, where have you really realistically been the past 30 days? You should have been making money the whole way up. Right now there is some plays down to the downside. However, there is still pockets of strength. While we kind of let some of the big dogs take a little bit of a breather, we did have Tesla pull in, Amazon pull in, Facebook pulled in a little bit. That's also kind of forming an inverse head and shoulders, which is something I want to keep a look at. Nvidia pulled in, AMD pulled in, but these stocks are still strong, so you just got to give them some time. You got to let them do their thing and kind of see. But in the meantime, we do need to keep an eye on some of these stocks that are coming off of the bottom channel, stocks that are ready to confirm, that are, confirming some supply. One of those stocks is going to be QS, QuantumScape, up $5.50 on a day, 16%, closed at 39.70. Currently after hours, it's, pretty much flat. One thing that I do want to look at, there's two opportunities and two potential different trade setups here. One from more of a day trade scalping perspective, and one for a little bit longer swing term perspective. What I really want to look at for a scalp or a day trade tomorrow is to confirm highs 39.71. I do have this little $44 area kind of marked out here, so I want to see what we do when we come into this little range here. The reason being is going back to April the 14th, we did touch highs here before we gapped down and kind of had this long period of consolidation. Stock really hasn't done anything for months, kind of been trading sideways. And as the market started to pick up in October, November, same with QS. So I do want to watch that here over 39.70, 39.75. Possible price target, somewhere in the 41, 42, 43 for a potential day trade, depending on momentum and volume. We need to keep an eye on that and look. However, there is room for a potential swing here. So over 39, over 40, first price target is going to be testing this little top tail wick here at 44.26. Depending on your position sizing, whether you're trading equities and or contracts, maybe scale off and take some profits then and there. As long as we are riding this 5-day, 10-day moving average, I would be pretty confident to hold. As soon as we get that first close below the 5-day moving average, I would start to evaluate the trade, evaluate the overall market, kind of see what the sentiment is. If we do get any close below the 10-day moving average, I would just exit the trade, take your profits wherever you are at that point in time in the swing. But this could possibly run, does have room all the way up to 56.76. So you could potentially get into this trade and it could turn into, a multi-week runner. As long as we are holding those moving averages, as long as the market is, ready to put in another leg up, as long as there's nothing crazy going on as far as, the news or the Fed or anything else. So definitely want to keep your eyes on QS. Two levels that I'm watching needs to be on your watch list, whether you are a day trader or a swing trader. Over 39.75, first price target anywhere in between 40, 41 and 42, 43. If you are looking to swing this, anything over 40, I would say first price target of 44. And then obviously once we get that first close over the 44, let's let those moving averages on the 5 and 10 day sort of catch up and then try to ride this into the 50s. Contracts are pretty cheap right now. I would give yourself some time if you are going to swing this, at least 3 to 4, 5 weeks out. Just that way you have enough time for this trade to develop. If you do get a little bit of choppiness along the way, you're still profitable without, playing weeklies and having 1-2 bad days and kind of just eating up all of your premium. I hope that helps. Guys, if you do want more information and more videos like this, I do have a Discord, great group of people in there trading a variety of different stocks from small caps all the way up to mega cap stocks and everything in between. I do have a website. That website is evolutiontraders.com. Feel free to check that out. Do me a favor, like this video, comment, subscribe, Let me know what you guys think about QS. Have you traded it? Are you going to trade it? Are you thinking about swing trading it? I'd like to know. And until next time, I will see you guys all on the next YouTube video.